Welcome back to the Unsalted Kitchen. Today I'd like to share with you my chicken enchilada recipe with black beans. So let's get cooking, folks. Yeah?
Japanese or Dutch or German or...
Here I heated a large skillet or pan on a medium-high heat. Add avocado oil or whatever you like to use. Once hot, add chopped onion about a medium size. Stir in garlic and cook for about 3 minutes or until onions are translucent and the garlic's aroma has been released and smells good. Stir in angel sweet tomatoes and chopped green bell peppers for now. Continue stirring the vegetables, mix and keep on stirring and cooking for extra 3 to 5 minutes. Then add the unsalted black beans from the can, but before that make sure beans has been washed and completely drained in a strainer. Once again, folks, we're gonna keep stirring until all ingredients comes together and beans starting to warm up. And then, ladies and gentlemen, add your extra protein, which is my favorite, dark meat and boneless chicken. The chicken has been boiled and fully cooked. I saved the stalks from it and use it to make the delicious enchilada sauce. I also added a little bit of ground white pepper to taste. Cook this yummy enchilada filling for extra 5 to 7 minutes and we are done. Now let's get rolling, folks. After a couple more of minutes. Here I have prepared my favorite dish. The size is 13 by 19 inches. About 1.5 cup of homemade red enchilada sauce. I have about 10 counts of tortilla but will only use 8. This is store-bought, by the way. Feel free to make your own. And of course, my enchilada chicken and beans for filling. If you need a good red enchilada recipe, kindly check the description and the link is attached below. Pour and spread about 1/4 cup of the sauce over the dish so that tortilla won't stick on the glass as you bake the enchilada. Lay out a tortilla on a plate and spread 2 tablespoons of sauce over the surface of the tortilla. Then add a generous spoonful of the chicken mixture in a line down the center of the tortilla. Then sprinkle with 1/3 cup cheese if desired. This is optional. Roll up tortilla and place it in a 9 by 13 glass dish. Assemble the remaining enchiladas, then spread any remaining sauce evenly over the top of the enchiladas, followed by any extra cheese. Bake uncovered for 20 minutes until the enchiladas are cooked through and the tortillas are slightly crispy on the outside. Remove pan from the oven and serve the enchiladas while they are nice and warm with homemade Mexican rice, guacamole, sour cream, and garnish with lots of toppings you like. And now I am done showing you on how to make chicken and beans enchiladas. You can omit the chicken if you are vegetarian. However, add more veggies for extra fillings or beans. Now it's time to eat, folks. Thank you for watching. Until next time, bye! Hi, Dad. Alright, I'm gonna let you eat that, okay? P.S. Store any leftovers in a sealed container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days or freeze for up to 3 months. Alright, bye! Thank you!